Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Eric Johnson.
Good Monday morning. We are starting off the work week with some of the coldest temperatures we have had since late May here across central and eastern Montana. Temperatures will start to warm up from yesterday, though. For our high temperatures today, we'll get into the upper 50s and low 60s across the area. And a live look from that Opportunity Bank of Montana weather cam. We're also on track to warm to about 59 in Helena. Here are those high temperatures from yesterday. Only 42 in Lewistown, 43 was that high temperature in Great Falls, some of the coolest air we've had in several months. Fortunately, we will be looking at a nice warm up this week with some beautiful fall weather ahead for the next couple of days. We'll be in the upper 60s, even some 70s possible. So we'll be above average right through the end of this week, and then a big cool down coming in this weekend with the potential for more mountain snow by Sunday. And here are some of those rain totals. We saw some very beneficial rain, especially to the south of Great Falls, the Dearborn picking up 1 1/3 inches of rain, Cascade 1 1/4 inches, and then over towards Conrad about 9/10. Browning picking up over 1/2 inch, as well as Great Falls, and close to 1/2 inch in Stanford. Now we're seeing lots of sunshine for today, high pressure building in, and we'll look at temperatures close to 60, and into Helena we'll look at upper 50s, a cool start to the morning, pretty chilly actually, and then by this afternoon starting to warm things up a little bit. That sun will feel really nice into this afternoon. Now high pressure gradually building in this morning, and that will continue to be the trend over the next couple of days, keeping our skies nice and clear here in Montana. Just a few clouds streaming into the high line later this evening, and then tomorrow we'll also see that sunshine sticking around. Tuesday and Wednesday are just going to be phenomenal with a lot of sunshine. Our highs in the upper 60s and low 70s, but a little bit breezy this afternoon east of Havre on the high line, and then for the Rocky Mountain fronts, kind of staying breezy the next couple of days. We'll even pick up those winds a little bit here in Cascade County. We could see a few gusts close to 30 miles per hour. But your high temperatures today, mostly in the 50s around Helena, 57 in Townsend, 53 in White Sulphur Springs, and then into central Montana. Many of us getting into the lower 60s this afternoon, but through Judith Basin and Fergus counties, your high temperatures will be in the mid 50s. And we started off the morning on a frigid note for the high line. Many areas were in the teens and 20s to start out the day. We actually got down to about 19 degrees in Wolf Points. We'll warm up to the low 60s this afternoon, so those temperatures will rebound nicely. And then we're up to 70 on Tuesday, potentially mid 70s into Wednesday. A little bit of a cool down for Thursday, and then we'll warm right back up into Friday. But again, this weekend, some big changes coming in. Once again, we'll see a storm rolling in Saturday night into Sunday. Temperatures will drop from the 60s to the 40s. So definitely get in those outdoor plans on Saturday, because we'll be looking at some pretty unsettled weather into Sunday. But a nice rest of your week in Helena. Definitely find some time to get outside. We'll really see those temperatures cooling off this weekend. Highs in the 40s with the potential for a little bit of snow by Sunday morning.
I'm John Matteries with Amazon's Big Deal Days about to start. Many of us are grabbing our phones and scrolling for sales.